Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a payment on Wallet Wizard quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to walletwizard.com.au. Just like here, click on the first or second any link. Then once you are on the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner, enter your registered email and password, then click sign in. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the forgot password link to reset it. Now head to the step 2, access your account dashboard. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Here you can see your outstanding balance, due date and other account details. Step 3 is go to the payment section. Now look for the make a payment option on the dashboard. It's usually highlighted to make it easy to find. Click on it to proceed. Step 4 is choose your payment method. Select your preferred payment method. Wallet Wizard typically offers options like bank transfer, debit or credit card, and BPay. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. Step 5 is enter payment details. For a card payment, you need to enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV. If you are using BPay, you will see the biller code and reference number on the screen. Copy these details and use them in your online banking app to make the payment. Step 6 is specify payment amount. Enter the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum due, the full balance, or a custom amount. Double check your input to avoid errors. Step 7 is confirm and submit payment. Once you have entered all the necessary details, review the payment summary. If everything looks correct, click on submit to proceed your payment. Step 8 is check payment confirmation. After submitting, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. Wallet Wizard may also send a confirmation email. Keep it for your records. There you have it. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon, and if you have any type of question left yet, then drop them in our comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.